college ng UAP, talaga siya na yung idol. Basta kasi Eliza. And then sa men si Jude Garcia.
Gemma!
Kasi magaling siya, tsaka maganda.
Crush namin!
Excited po akong makitang maglaro in person si Ate Gia Morado kasi siya po lagi yung nilulook forward ko na makita maglaro in person. Lagi-lagi kapag merong pumupuntang mga volleyball players po dito. Excited po akong makita yung both team po kasi alam kong mabibigyan po nila yung mga fans or audience ng magandang laban. And most especially po si Ate Gia Morado kasi and of course Bella Villen po kasi hindi ko pa po sila nakikita maglaro personally.
I'm so excited to watch Kamagalansa because she's really my idol. She's a woman of skills and talent. Actually, it's my first time to watch live like this, and I'm so excited to meet my idol, like Eliza Valdez.
Si Bella Belen po dahil napakagaling and influence ng character niya sobrang mga.
Ako po si Mika Reyes since I've been a fan since season 78.